Dynamic lady.
Okay.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
In a shocking turn of events, the Bengaluru police have arrested a former driver in connection with the senior geologist Prathima KS murder case. The victim was an employee of the Department of Mines and Geology and was found dead at her residence in Bengaluru South on November 5th. The driver, identified as Kiran, was recently sacked by the department. He was reportedly missing when the murder came to light.
ಆತ ಈ ಮೃತ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಬಳಿ ಚಾಲಕನಾಗಿ ವಾಹನ ಚಾಲಕನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಂತರ ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವು ದಿವಸಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಹುಶಃ 1 ವಾರ ಅಥವಾ 10 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕೂಲಂಕುಷ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ನಂತರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು.
The police were notified about Prathima's death at 8:30 a.m. after her brother Pratish found her body at her house in Dodakalasandra under the Subramanyapura police station limits. Upon arriving, the police found Prathima dead on the floor. Her throat was slit. Initial probe revealed that the murder took place between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. on Sunday, since she was in the office till 6 p.m. on Saturday and returned home by 8 p.m. The probe also revealed that no valuables had been missing from the home. Prathima is survived by her husband and son, who live in Shivamoga's Thirathalli. Prathima, a brave and dynamic officer, worked at the VV Towers near Vidhana Saudha. Her work involved conducting raids. She had recently submitted a report on illegal quarrying. Radhamma, V. Ganesh, Anand, a BJP MLA, and others were named in the FIR. A loss of rupees 25.35 lakh was mentioned in the report. Senior officer Dinesh, who worked with Prathima, expressed shock and grief at her death. He described Prathima as a very dynamic lady who was well reputed in the department. He also stated that she did not have any enemies.
Dynamic lady.
Okay.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಮಾಡೋ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ರೈಡ್
ಮಾಡಿದಾರ.
ಯಾರ ವಿರೋಧ ಇತ್ತ ಸರ್?
ಹೊಸ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ರಾಜಧನ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah expressed his condolences to Prathima's family and stated that the investigation is ongoing.
ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ, ನಾನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಇದ್ಲಂತೆ ಅವಳು. ಅವ್ರ ಯಜಮಾನರು ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು, ಇವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Meanwhile, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya criticized the Congress government and said that the law and order situation is collapsing in the state and the mafia elements are being emboldened. This is a developing story. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.